Decommissioning services can entail a wide variety of aspects. KERAMIDA has worked from completing environmental assessments at sites to doing general contracting services for decommissioning. Hi, I'm Steve Cobb, Vice President of Land Services. I manage our decommissioning services. Services that we have provided in the past have included asbestos, lead, PCB sampling, industrial cleaning, subsurface investigations, removing production lines, removing additional add-on structures that were implemented for the processes. Basically what we do is we go in and turn the facility back into a warehouse, a white box, or anything that could be beneficial for the future sale of a facility. We have completed from point A to point B, start to finish on projects, or we've completed one phase of a project for customers. Our decommissioning services have been completed at large-scale power plants to mid-size manufacturing facilities. For example, we have completed 3 different facility decommissioning projects at ethylene oxide facilities. KERAMIDA has acted as the owner's representation throughout the entire project, more so that the client doesn't have the resources, the time, or the expertise to complete the decommissioning project, so we will go in and manage from start to finish. Clients reach out to KERAMIDA because of our expertise, our knowledge of the industry, our knowledge of the players in the industry, the network of contractors that we have developed over the last 30 years. If a potential client has any questions regarding decommissioning services, feel free to reach out to me. I will answer any questions, or we can walk through the process of what's needed or possibly could be needed to complete a successful decommissioning project.